Hello students, this is Bhagyalakshmi, CRT Mathematics in KGBV Mulkalcheru. I will explain about types of sets. Let's start the class. There are 6 types of sets: null set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, universal set, disjoint set. I will explain about null set. Null set is also called as empty set or void set. Definition of null set: a set which does not contain any element is called an empty set or a null set. Empty set is denoted by pi or flower brackets. This circle is an empty set because it doesn't contain any element. Examples of empty set: a is equal to x is to x is a natural number smaller than 1. B is equal to x is to x is a man living on the moon. Second type of set is singleton set. Definition of singleton set is a set consisting of a single element is called a singleton set. This circle is an singleton set because it contains only one element. Example of singleton set is 0, -7 or singleton sets. Third type of set is finite set. A set which is possible to count the number of elements of that set is called finite set. Example of finite set is the set of days in a week is a finite set. Another example of finite set: empty set is also called finite set. Fourth type of set is infinite set. A set whose elements cannot be listed. That type of set is called infinite set. Example of infinite set is a is equal to x is to x is an even number. Another example of infinite set is x is to x is a multiple of 7. Note: a set is infinite if it is not finite. Not finite. Fifth type of set is universal set. A set which consists of all the sets under consideration or discussion is called the universal set. It is denoted by mu or u. The universal set is usually represented by rectangles. This rectangle is universal set. Example of universal set is the set of real numbers is universal set for number theory. Here R is a universal set. Another example of universal set is if we want to study various groups of people of our state, universal set is the set of all people in Andhra Pradesh. Sixth type of set is disjoint set. Consider A and B are two finite sets, then there are no common elements in both A and B. Such set is known as disjoint set. Example of disjoint set: A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 4, 5, 6. In these two sets, there is no common element. This type of set is called disjoint set. Basic operations on sets. First type of set is union of sets. The union of two or more sets is the set of all those elements which are either individual or both in common. In symbolic form of A and B, two sets written as A union B and usually read as A union B. The union of the sets can be represented by a Venn diagram as shown. This is the Venn diagram of A union B. Now I will explain about union of sets with help of an example. Let A is equal to 2, 5, 6, 8 and B is equal to 5, 7, 9, 1. Find A union B. A is equal to 2, 5, 6, 8. B is equal to 5, 7, 9, 1. A union B is equal to 2, 5, 6, 8. Union 5, 7, 9, 1. I will write it 2, 5, 6, 8, 5, 7, 9, 1. Write in order 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That the common element of 5 was taken only once while writing A union B. Another example of union of sets. Let A is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U and B is equal to A comma I comma U. Show that A union B is equal to A. Let A is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U. P is equal to A comma I comma U. A union B is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U union A comma I comma U. A comma E comma I O U comma A comma I comma U. Write down the order. A comma E comma I comma O comma U, that is equal to A. This example illustrates that union of sets A and its subset B is the set A itself. That is, if B subset A, then A union B is equal to A. This note is important. B subset of A, then A union B is equal to A. Third example of union of set. If A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Find A union B. If A is equal to 1, 2 comma 3 comma 4, B is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. A union B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. That is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Venn diagram of this problem. A, B, union, one, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 and 4 are repeated elements. A union B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Basic operations on intersection sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belongs to both A and B. We denote intersection by A intersection B. we read A intersection B. The intersection of A and B can be illustrated in the Venn diagram as shown in the shaded portion in the adjacent figure. Now I will explain about the intersection with help of an example. A is equal to 0, 2, 4. Find A intersection pi and A intersection A. Comment. Given A is equal to 0, 2, 4 and pi. Pi means there is no element. A intersection pi, that is equal to 0, 2, 4 intersection pi, that is equal to, in these two sets there is no common element, pi. Next one is A intersection A. A set is 0, 2, 4 intersection A 0, 2, 4, that is equal to, common elements are 0, 2, 4. A intersection by, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. From 1 and 2, A intersection pi, that is equal to pi, and A intersection A is equal to A. Note is important. A intersection pi is equal to pi. A intersection A is equal to A. Second example of intersection sets. If A is equal to x is to x is a natural number. B is equal to x is to x is an even natural number. C is equal to x is to x is an odd natural number. And D is equal to x is to x is a prime number. Find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, C intersection D. Given sets, are A is equal to x is to x is a natural number, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to so on. B is equal to x is to x is an even natural number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to so on. C is equal to x is to x is an odd natural number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to so on. D is equal to x is to x is a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on. A intersection B, that is equal to A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to so on. Intersection B 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Intersection means there is no there is common element 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10. Next one, A intersection C. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Intersection C. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Common elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection D. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Common elements are 2, 3, 5, 7. B intersection C. B 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Intersection C. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. There is no common element that is equal to null set. B intersection D. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Intersection D. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Common element is only 2. C intersection D. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Common elements are 3, 5, 7. Difference of sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set of elements which belong to A but do not belong to B. We denote the difference of A and B by A minus B or A minus B. Venn diagram of A minus B is only shaded A. Venn diagram of B minus A. Shaded B. B minus A. We will explain about difference with help of an example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Find A minus B, B minus A. Given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. A minus B is equal to A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus B 4, 5, 6, 7. A minus B means only the elements which are in A but not in B should be taken. 4, 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. A minus B is 1, 2, 3. B minus A. B 4, 5, 6, 7 minus A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 4, 5. Remaining 6, 7. Therefore, A minus B 1, 2, 3. B minus A 6, 7 are not equal to B minus A. Venn diagram of A minus B, A B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B minus A. A B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another example, if A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C. Given sets are A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. First one, A minus B. A set is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Minus B 4 to 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. A minus C. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Minus C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. Third one, A minus D. A set are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Minus D set is 5, 10, 15, 20. 15, 15. Remaining elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Minus A. B set is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Minus A set is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 12, 12. Remaining 4, 8, 16, 20. Fifth one, C minus A. C set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Minus A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 6, 6, 12, 12. Remaining elements 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. Sixth one, D minus A. D set is 5, 10, 15, 20. Minus A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 15, 15. Remaining elements 5, 10, 20. Hope you understood the class. Thank you.